The DG813 and DG613 offer a long battery life working with rechargeable batteries as well as with alkaline batteries for backup. Open the battery door by pulling out the battery door latches. Push down the battery door and lift up the locking lever that has the 2 pins. Insert the rechargeable battery pack and close the battery door, and lock it by pushing the door latches back to the housing. Alkaline D-cell batteries can be used for backup. Insert batteries into the housing so that the negative poles are on the bigger battery spiral rings. Close the battery door and lock it by pushing the door latches back to the housing.